trying to connect to my phone here, guys. Okay, we are connected. I'm just going to leave my phone right here. It says internet, it's unavailable, but we are recording, guys. Let's get the light on. I got to find out where this pipe is. I know it's a bit scary under here. I see the pipes going that way. That's going that way. I'm just going to lower this down in here a little bit, guys. Try to see, the lighting is messed up, I know. But I want to know what's over here. That's the pipe going that way. What's going this way over here? So this is going to be a little bit while. I got to get in here. Oh, with both hands to hold the light. Okay. So let's get this camera up this way. There we go, there we go. I see a pipe. I see what looks like a black pipe going down towards the sink area. Try to get that position again. There's the pipe. We're going to go this way. There's the other pipe heading toward the sink. Okay, there we go, there we go. Is that an elbow right there? That's what I need to know, guys. Is that an elbow? Okay. So what I'm going to do is bring this out. I'm going to stop recording. Going in. Looking for a black pipe, guys. That's kind of where I need to be. Way back over here somewhere, guys. You guys can see that, right? Yeah. I'm not seeing a black pipe connected anywhere under here. How about over there to the nether region? Nothing, right? Nothing. So let me bring this out, make a quick adjustment. Sorry for any background noise, guys. Some people doing some weird things around here. That might be a black pipe, but where the heck would that be going to if that is a black pipe, guys? Or is it just maybe just a shadow? What's beyond? Let's see what's beyond here, if we can. Just more crap. I gotta really clean this lens really good, guys. Is that a pipe? No. I mean, the black pipe, guys, gotta be, what's connected up here? This goes to the shower, and it comes down into a U. A U runs out into here to this kitchen, to the bathroom sink, which comes up right here, which is connected to nothing. So that tees off and goes down here into the sewer. So we got the toilet going into the sewer, and the sewer runs down that way with no other connections that I could see. Can't really see too good there. Alright, so it's running this way somewhere. That pipe is running this way, guys. I just can't see up there. What I'm going to do is see what this is right here. If there's a T on there, let me get that light further down if I can. How's that, guys? Well, let's see what's going on over there now. Okay, I gotta connect this to the TV. Pretty close right there. I need to go this way. There should be a pipe coming this way in, maybe into that toilet connection. Wait, is that the commode? I don't see any other connection. Yeah, it's gotta be the toilet. Alright. Let's go review this footage and see what's going on. Let's record. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go the other way, guys. I gotta get the spotlight in here. Somewhere along this pipe. Which I don't even see anything in here. But I gotta get the camera. The camera's not even moving. Here we go, here we go. Come on, it's a text. Oh wow, that's going deep. That's going down there quite far. See if I can get a zoom down the end there. As long as I rezoom this out, I shouldn't. Oh, we're going into the nether regions down there, guys. Oh, whoa, whoa. We got an angle of that. Okay. As far as I can zoom in, maybe we can angle this light a little better. No, yeah, maybe. Kind of see what's going on down there. Looks like that's going straight for a while. I might be turning right there. However, I'm not sure if that's a bend. I'm going to have to look on a computer. It looks like that's teeing off somewhere. Let's get a closer look on a computer, guys. I want to see what's going down here while we're doing this. If I could get the light, there's the light here. If I can get this out of here, guys. We can do it. Let's stick the camera down in here. See what's going on. If we can angle this light more over here by the pipe, it's really hard to see what's going on. So that's actually going down. Where's that ventilation pipe going? This is getting crazy. It's getting weird here. So the ventilation pipe and this pipe here looks like it goes into an elbow, into a Y connection, which is connecting to the air vent, going to the washing machine discharge vent where the water comes down into the sewer. So these two are going into a Y connection, head into the sewer. I tell you. What the heck is going on here, guys? Let's take it out. Yep, see, it just fell. Yeah! It's just ridiculous. We're going to put a whole new floor in this bathroom. The toilet is slightly sinking. We got a mess down here, guys. We got to get cleaned up. Let's go turn the water on the other end. Okay, guys, I had to tear up the kitchen floor. Cut a big hole to replace a rotted piece of wood. Right here is the replacement. Okay. Here's my mini snake. I got gloves. I got stuff all over. Might be able to see the snake in there, guys. This is where I started. I had to do this about 50 times out onto that other hole. And the stuff kept coming, kept coming, kept coming. Let's turn on the water. Water's on, guys. Here we go. Here we go. We got movement. We got movement. I got it on slow. I drilled a 1-inch hole here. That's flowing clean. Hold, let me get you in there. Let's go check the other end, guys. Oh yeah, there it flows. I'm going to be turning that up a little bit more, guys. I got a rubber 1.5 inch to 1.5 inch sleeve that I'm going to put in here. I'm going to cut this down the center. 1.5 inch sleeve here to over here. Done. Okay guys, how I did this, here's my pipe coming across. I ran a board this way. I got a beam about over here. Sank a nail, got a nail here, here, and here. Then I got these two up here. Pipes here, not here like I thought it would be in this area. It's actually in this area here. So no screws in this area. The same piece of floor is back in place. As you can see. Not bad. Because I have to get back in here once I get my saw to cut the pipe. I taped it all up. And then eventually I'm going to reopen this. That's why I use screws and labeled everything. So I'm going to reopen this. I got to move this board out the way, cut the pipe. I'm going to insert a sleeve and insert the sleeve that way, tighten it up, done. So I'll be finished. But that's another video. For now I got to get vacuumed up, cleaned up. Okay guys, normally I'd use duct tape or something, but I used some clear tape. I went in here, taped the seam, taped up that way to the wall, and down here past the cut here. Just for now. Start stapling this down all the way around there. Also put in new piping for the dual sinks in the kitchen area. They had this going to a larger pipe over here with the air vent. That snapped off. Water leaking all over down below here. So what I did was connect it to the second sink drain that was connected to the dishwasher. So I took all that out, guys, and reconnected, put new piping in the right way, the correct way, and that comes down here into the drain. The black pipe comes down under the floor, across into the commode area over there, which we already saw all that. So, you know, I had to use a small T to connect here so I could hook the dishwasher, and then I had to cut here because this thing came way down here. I had no room under this sink, so I had to cut this shorter, you know, connect my start connecting my pipes here and out into the drain area. But that's the new pipes under the sink. Everything's working awesome, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I get a new floor put in soon in the kitchen and the bathroom area. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.